Bill stimulates the debt, it stimulates the growth of government, but it doesn't stimulate jobs. More important, it doesn't provide the basic need we have in this country to deal with the problems in the home industry and the credit market that came about from the bad subprime loans and other products that were passed out in the financial market. I think that I think 6 to 7% goes into shovel-ready projects, and there's some tax relief, the AMT tax relief. There's some. It's certainly not perfect, and by no stretch of the imagination can you say taking a bill that initially spends over $800 billion, cutting a billion out of it, leaving the total cost with interest in the next 10 years, putting this well above. Everybody wants people to buy American, but when you put conditions on federal programs that says you can only buy American, that violates the WTO, the European Union, our Canadian partners, our Mexican partners, the ones with whom we trade, say they may